USA Reward Spot is a typical scam scheme that promises a gift in exchange for something allegedly unimportant, such as credit card details or other personal information. The hoax claimed to award users with a $100 Visa gift card. Do not fall for this trick. Follow this guide to remove USA Reward Spot completely. Click on the three-dotted button on the top right corner of the screen, and select Settings. Scroll to the bottom of the screen, and select Advanced. Scroll to the bottom again, and select Restore Settings to their original defaults. Then press Reset Settings. If that still did not help your case, you are dealing with an adware application that can only be removed with professional anti-spyware software, such as Malwarebytes. To do that, open Chrome, and type to-spyware.com, and press Enter. Then find Malwarebytes Anti-Malware Review on the software box on the right sidebar of the website. On the opened page, press Download button. Find Download 30-day trial text on the opened site, and press it. Wait for download to complete, and open the downloaded application. On the installer, press Continue, again, and again, agree to the license, and press Install. Enter password if needed. Press Scan now, and wait for the scan to finish. That's it, your Mac will be completely clean. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our guides channel.